ready to ditch the website building headaches and finally get online with ease. Today, we're diving into Strikingly, the website builder that's perfect for beginners and pros alike who want a professional online presence fast. First, head over to Strikingly.com and click on the Get Started button to create your free account. You can sign up with your email, Facebook, or Google account. Now, the fun begins. You'll be presented with a library of stunning templates designed for all sorts of businesses and personal projects. Browse through and choose one that best suits your needs. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Once you've selected a template, you'll enter the Strikingly editor here. You can easily customize everything. Simply click on any element, like text, images, or buttons, and edit it directly. It's all drag and drop and super intuitive. Adding new sections is a breeze too. Just click the Add Section button and choose from a variety of pre-designed blocks, like a contact form, a gallery, or a blog section. Want to tweak the design further? Head over to the Style tab to change the color scheme, fonts, and other visual elements to match your brand. And don't forget to check out the mobile preview to ensure your website looks great on all devices. Strikingly automatically optimizes your site for mobile viewing. Finally, when you're happy with your website, click the Publish button, and you're live. You can even connect a custom domain name for a professional touch. So, if you're looking for the easiest and most effective way to build a beautiful website, give Strikingly a try. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a professional online presence. #website builder #Strikingly.